Hello everybody, this is me Johan here. I've been using the Oppo K1 as my primary smartphone over the past 1 week. And here are my reasons why I think you should consider this as your next smartphone. Alright, the screen used on this phone is a 6.4 inch screen. It's a full HD plus screen, a 1080p screen. It's a super AMOLED screen with an aspect ratio of 19 by 5 by 9 with a cute water drop notch right on top. To give you guys an understanding of the quality of the screen, I'll just play a video clip for you guys right now. Alright, this clip is being played at 1080p and it's at its maximum brightness. It's at 100% brightness. You guys can just have a look at it. It's got a fantastic screen. I mean, this is a really good Super AMOLED screen used on the Oppo K1. I'm telling you, watching videos on this phone has been a real delight. And if the screen is a top priority for you, this phone will do the job for you. I'm under direct sunlight right now, and as you guys can see, I've cranked the phone's brightness all the way up to 70%. And as you guys can see, it's easily legible under direct sunlight at about 70% of its brightness. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor with the Adreno 512 GPU used inside, along with 4 GB of RAM. Performance-wise, I face absolutely no hiccups on this phone. The apps open fast and fluidly. RAM management although only having 4 GB of RAM, has been done really well. Performance-wise, this phone gets a thumbs up from my side. Gaming-wise, PUBG was played at HD graphics and high frame rates and played fine with mostly no hiccups. Asphalt 9 was also played at HD graphics settings and it too played fine without any hiccups. Gaming-wise, this phone does a good job. Battery drain again was respectable. I was losing 20% of charge every 1 hour, so you can expect to play these games on a single charge for 5 straight hours, which is pretty good. Again, I faced no problems over here as well. Call quality and reception on this phone has been really good. This phone comes with a single pharynx speaker over here. Just take a listen to this clip. As you guys can see, the speaker is nice and loud, and it really provides an immersive experience, especially while playing games. Speaker-wise, I think Oppo have done a great job in putting a great speaker in the Oppo K1. Fortunately, a good pair of earphones have been included in the box, which provide a good experience overall. As you guys can see, the version that I have is the blue version, and as you guys can see, it's got a reflector back. 3/4 of it is blue and 1/4 of it is purple. I must say, it really looks classy, and it is made up of aluminum. The display, the front glass is made up of Corning glass 5, which is a good assurity. See, build-wise, although I would not say this is the best built phone in its class, it is well put together, at the same time light and nimble and very easy to hold in the hand. Regarding the performance of the in-display fingerprint scanner, I've been really impressed. I'll just showcase it to you all right now. Just see, tap and it just opens. It takes about a second to reform, but it's doing a really great job. I'm telling you, this in-display fingerprint scanner's performance has been really satisfactory. The face unlock on this phone has also done a good job. I'll just showcase it to you all. Yeah, it's detected it again. Once again, you can see it's detecting the face really fast, and I'm telling you, I've been really satisfied with the face unlock on this phone as well. This phone does come with a 3600 mAh battery inside, and it has an AMOLED screen to run. You know, I've been really impressed. I hammered it on many occasions and was able to make it through to the end of a workday with 25 to 30% of charge left. With regular usage, it was lasting over a day, and on some occasions even a day and a half. Battery life on this phone has been a big thumbs up overall. The idle drain times on this phone again were very similar to all the other Android phones I've tested till date. Regarding the cameras on this phone, the rear cam does a good job in idle daylight situations. It takes crisp and detailed images. In low light though, the quality dips if the subject is a bit far apart. Alright, regarding the selfie cam, again it does a good job in idle daylighting situations, but in low light again the quality isn't that great. It's about average, I would say. Alright, this is a video recording using the front facing cam of the Oppo K1. This is being shot at its maximum resolution at 1080p. Alright, I'm going to run right now and just give you guys an understanding of how stable it is. I have no idea how a manufacturer can, give micro USB on a phone that costs 17K. The phone comes pre-installed with Android Oreo 8.1 out of the box, running on top of the Color OS 5.2. The security patch is 5th of Jan 2019. We are currently in the month of February. Android P has been out for quite a while, and due to that, I feel this phone should have come pre-installed out of the box with Android P. Alright, this is video recording using the rear cam of the Oppo K1. This is being shot at its maximum resolution at 4K. Alright, let's just run and see how stable it is. Finally, if you want a phone with stylish looks, good performance, good display, a decent set of cameras, and finally, if you really want an in-display fingerprint scanner on a budget at 17K, this phone is highly recommended from my side. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. And if you guys are interested in following me from here on, you guys can go ahead and hit subscribe to my channel, Living with Tech. And right after that, please hit the bell icon so that y'all get notified the second a video is uploaded on YouTube. I'm there on social media. I'm there on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The links to all my social media pages are there in the description below. So as it is as always, I wish all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.